Imagine graduating into a world where AI works faster, cheaper, and smarter than you. Sam Altman, the man behind ChatGPT, says that world is already here. By 2030, AI could outthink humans in nearly every field. The only question is, will you keep up or be replaced? Sam Altman isn't just another tech founder. He's the CEO of OpenAI, the company that built ChatGPT, and one of the few people shaping how AI will define our generation. Before that, he led Y Combinator, helping launch Airbnb and Dropbox. And today, he's sounding an alarm. Only 3 human skills will survive the AI revolution. AI isn't coming. It's already here. It writes code, passes exams, diagnoses patients, and designs buildings. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs could be disrupted worldwide, and nearly 40% of companies already use AI to replace entry-level roles. Altman calls it the biggest intelligence quake in human history. Altman's first rule for survival is adaptability. He says, in a world that changes faster than ever, adaptability beats expertise. The world no longer rewards what you know. It rewards how fast you can learn. Because while AI can master skills, only humans can reinvent themselves. But Altman asks something few people want to face. What happens when AI starts learning faster than humans can think? His answer isn't fear, it's evolution. The future belongs to those who learn to work with AI, not against it. Altman's second rule is creativity. When AI handles the routine, imagination becomes your currency. He calls creativity the meta skill, the power to turn an idea into impact. This generation will be defined by those who dream what machines can't. Think about it. Your best friend comforts you after failure. Your teacher inspires you when you doubt yourself. No algorithm can feel that. That spark between people, that empathy, is where real innovation begins. Altman warns that schools are still preparing kids for a world that no longer exists. He points to Finland, Singapore, and MIT, where students are taught to question, create, and collaborate. He says, education must teach curiosity, creativity, and teamwork, because everything else, AI, will do better. Education must evolve, or risk becoming irrelevant. Altman's third rule, and the one AI can never replace, is human connection. AI can analyze emotions, but it can't feel them. The ability to understand people, build trust, and lead with empathy is what keeps us irreplaceable. Human connection is the one code AI will never copy. But what if we don't change fast enough? Altman fears a generation that graduates into irrelevance, trained for jobs that vanished before they even began. Graduate today, obsolete tomorrow. Altman calls the coming years the gentle singularity. Not a robot takeover, a slow partnership between humans and AI. The winners won't be those who fear AI, but those who use it to amplify their humanity. Still, Altman warns about AI dependency. He's seen young people treating ChatGPT like a life coach, outsourcing every decision. He cautions, if you let AI think for you, you'll forget how to think for yourself. Use AI as your co-pilot, not your autopilot. So here's Altman's playbook for the AI generation. 1. Adaptability. Learn faster than the world changes. 2. Creativity. Turn imagination into action. 3. Connection. Lead with empathy and trust. Master these 3 skills, and AI won't replace you. It will enhance you. Altman believes human creativity is infinite. He once said, humanity's strength isn't logic, it's imagination. The AI wave isn't here to erase us. It's here to make us more human than ever. AI will keep evolving. The real question is, will you? Join ClearPath Gen. We don't fear the future, we build it. Start early, think sharp, learn right. Because no matter how fast technology moves, your future is still human.